Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource here, checking in with another Corvette part for today. This afternoon, what I'm going to be looking at is this Z06 instrument cluster removed from a 2003 Corvette Z06. Now, if you remember a few days ago, or maybe a couple weeks ago, I detailed a video of a regular base model Corvette instrument cluster for C5s. That would have been the 97-98 model, and I referred to some of these other different clusters that were available in the C5s during that time frame. So this today is the C5 Z06 from 2001 to 2004. Now essentially most of this looks virtually identical. The outer bezel here, the clear bezel, this plastic bezel, all the other rest of this is the same as the other cars pretty much, okay? The control mechanisms, the circuit boards are very similar. There's your connector for your HUD display, which I think that was an option on Z06, but I'm not sure. I may have been standard from the factory. The one main difference between these clusters and the others is what you can see here. If you go close up, you can see that Z06 nomenclature there, and of course the numerals have a little bit different what's the word I'm looking for? Typeface on them. And if you actually look, you can see that checkerboard pattern that they put into the actual speedometer itself. They didn't do it on the side gauges there, your water temperature, your oil pressure, and things like that. But on your main stack up, it got that raceway checkered board like finish. It's kind of a small feature detail item that most people don't notice. This one has, I believe, a little bit higher red line than the other one does too. This is the LS6 motor. And of course 200 miles per hour, which is what they all had at that time. But you've got that checkerboard style with the Corvette logo here, and on this side the Z06. So just a cool little trivia feature on these clusters. This cluster's in really good shape. As I've specified before, I made another video about talking about body control modules. The C4s, the mileage was stored in the body control module. On this cluster, the mileage is stored in this one, and I believe this one has right above 100,000 miles, if I remember correctly. But this is in good working condition. This was an unwrecked car that I pulled this out of that was being converted to a race car, so it's in real good shape. No damage, nothing needs to be addressed, just kind of a plug-and-play situation. So if you've got a need for it, you can reach me anytime. My name is Brian with VetteSource. My number is 832-654-7367. I've been dismantling Corvettes for over 20 years now, so I have a huge amount of inventory to choose from, and lots of little individual specific parts you may be looking for your Corvette. So just give me a call if you have a need for anything. Thanks again, and we'll check back with you guys tomorrow.